Hey guys, sorry I'm in the middle of doing a style, so hopefully you guys follow me on Instagram. I don't think I'm going to upload this style on YouTube, I don't know yet. I'm excited. This look is inspired. I'm not even going to talk about my hair because that's not what y'all came here for. Okay, so this is a quick video. I want to tell you guys how I mastered how to make rice water without the stanky smell, and also just an update on how long I've been using it, if I notice any difference with my hair, and blah blah blah. So this is some leftover rice water. It really smells good. Some leftover rice water. Why is it red? What am I talking about, and how did I make it smell good? If you want to know why, stay tuned. Okay, so I'll get straight to the point. First of all, yes, I'm going to tell you about my hair. I'm sorry it looks crazy. I'm in the middle of doing a style on my hair, but I didn't want to forget to post this updated video. So I managed to make the fermented rice water smell amazing. How did I do that? So basically, I use this container. It's a gelato ice cream container. In here is a cup of rice. I would recommend a half a cup or even a fourth of a cup. And I fill this all the way to the top with distilled or spring water. But my secret is, well, I have two secrets. I add a hibiscus flower to the rice, to this container. So I probably put, and I'm so sorry, I really didn't measure it, maybe like a small layer just to fill the entire area. If you've never had hibiscus flower, I'll show you what it looks like without digging my hand in there. I'll try to. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks like little red pieces of rice. So this is how it looks. And I bought it for my tea. But a long time ago, Curly Proverbs, who is on YouTube as well, I highly recommend checking out her videos. She was using hibiscus in some of her DIY hair treatments. So I found this on Amazon. I will link it below, and I think it was less than $20. And this is about, how much is this? It doesn't say on here, but I know it says on Amazon. But this is how big it is. So this is my arm. This is how big it is, and it was completely full. In fact, I still have about this much left, and I've had it for, I don't know, almost a year. So anyway, so I put some of the hibiscus flower in here, and then I add pure lavender oil. This specific one is from Now Essential Oils, where I also purchased on Amazon. And I probably put between 40 and 50 drops. I don't know if that's too much or not enough, but all I know is it does not stink at all. And because of me figuring out how to make it not stink, I'm able to leave it in my hair as a leave-in. And yes, as you can see, my hair is colored. It's dyed. So no, I don't have a problem with it dyeing my hair. I don't. Like, I spray a little bit in my hair as a leave-in. I still use it as a rinse, but I also spray a little bit as a leave-in. And I have not had any issues with the red color, just an FYI. If you are nervous about the red color and you don't want to risk it, then I would just continue to do the rice rinse. I just wanted to be able to leave some of the rice water in my hair. I haven't tried it with just rice and lavender only. I don't mind trying it. If you guys want to see, make sure you comment below. But other than that, that's the combination that I've been making. This is organic jasmine rice or organic regular rice. I don't remember if it's jasmine or not. And this is how I know it works. So my previous batch, the one I was just smelling, in this container, well, it's not in here anymore, it's just for the sake of the video. It had literally been fermenting for between 5 and 9 days. Not for any specific reason, well, because I forgot and then I got lazy and then I didn't do my hair. But it had been fermenting, and even when I drained the rice did not stink at all. I threw it in my trash can. My real test is my husband didn't say anything. So that's how I know it didn't stink. So there you guys go. Lavender for sure. Hibiscus flower, yes, absolutely. So if you guys want, I'll just, in fact, whether you ask me or not, I'm going to try it with just lavender and rice and see if I'm able to still make it not smell. So you guys stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram if you want immediate updates. Hair Evolutions. Thank you guys so much for watching.